Hi friends, this is Priyanka Singh. Welcome to my YouTube channel, The Food Traveler. Today I am going to cook ravioli. No way claiming this is an authentic Italian ravioli because I am making with an Indian twist. And you are going to love this. Let's get started. These are the ingredients for a dough. I'm using half cup all-purpose flour, half cup semolina, pinch of salt, 1 tablespoon olive oil, or you can also use regular oil, but don't use butter, please. And then do like this. I'm using my hands. This is the best thing you can do for a dough. Don't put water all together. Just have a little bit. Then you can see what's the consistency is. We don't have to make it very stiff dough or not a very loose dough. Basically, ravioli dough is made with egg also, but this is eggless ravioli. See, it's nicely done. This is the actual consistency which I need. But the thing is, you have to knead it like this at least for 10 minutes. This will give the best result. You have to give rest to this dough for at least 30 minutes. And the result will be amazing. Just cover it like this. You can also use damp cloth or anything. We have to give rest to this dough for half an hour. These are the ingredients for filling: half capsicum, 1 onion, half cup chopped spinach, olive oil, half cup paneer. This is Indian cheese which is made up of cow milk, half teaspoon oregano, and half teaspoon chilli flakes. I'm adding 1 tablespoon of olive oil. Further, first of all, put onion. You just have to saute. Don't make it super soft, just a little bit saute. See, it's done. Now I'm adding capsicum. Also just saute for a minute. It looks good. Now I'm adding spinach. We know that excess boiling of any vegetable is not good. For spinach also, just saute for 1 minute and it will be done. Now I'm adding this paneer, Indian cheese. You can also use ricotta cheese. And now I'm adding salt to taste, oregano herb, now the chilli flakes, half teaspoon. Wow. Just mix it well. Just put it for 10 or 15 minutes so that it comes to room temperature. The dough rested for half an hour. Now I take out. It is really a smooth dough, if you can see. Actually, ravioli is of different shape. You can make as you want. The shape I'm going to give is a circle one. Just you have to roll it with a rolling pin. Roll it like this. I want to keep this much big. And now here the filling is. I'm going to put it like this in between, and what you have to do is take from one side, put it on another one, and it's done. We have to poach this. That's why, to make sure that it won't be open. Do like this. Be careful you don't do fork in this one. See, this is done. It is ready for poach, but I am making all together, then we will poach. See how beautiful they are looking. It's ready to poach now. Let's take a pan and do boil water. The water is boiled. Now I'm going to poach this ravioli. Now it will take 5 to 8 minutes. These are done. You can see the color is changed. So I'm just taking it out. I will take these out and put in the sauce which I made. These are the ingredients for sauce. 1 tomato, 1 onion, few garlic cloves, few leaves of basil and 2 leaves of mint. What we have to do is just wash it, cut it and boil it and make a puree. That's it. So the raviolis are kept for poaching. Meanwhile, I'm going to prepare a sauce. I boiled everything and blended like this. I'm pouring here. We will give it a good boil. See, the bubbles are coming. A little bit of black pepper. This will enhance the taste. Give it a mix. You don't have to cook a lot because we already boiled all the ingredients. Now I am putting these raviolis to this. Wow. These are the ingredients for garnishing. Little bit of grated cheese, few leaves of mint, few black olive, few green olive. Now we will grate it with little bit of cheese, few green olives, few black olives, and here it is. Enjoy with your friends and family. If you like this recipe, please share, like and comment. And also press subscribe button below if you have not subscribed yet. Also press bell icon so that you can get notifications. Thank you.